give you a scenario that everybody can relate to. You're going down the road, you hit the brake pedal, and bam, you start feeling a pulsation or a shimmy in the steering wheel. Probably resulted from lateral runout. I'll show you how to measure that real quick. Just go ahead and take your wheel off. Ferrari was nice enough to give us these studs, but if your rotor's loose, put some lug nuts on and secure them. I got a dial indicator set up right here, zeroed out, touching the rotor. Just simply go around and spin your rotor around. And what you don't want is any more than 3 thousandths. If you have more than 3 thousandths, well, guess what? That 3 thousandths goes around. That really doesn't cause the pedal pulsation, but it causes disc thickness variation. It's hitting the rotor, bam, bam, bam. When it does that, the pads go in and out and you start to feel it. Well, you can just take a micrometer, you can go around the rotor in 8 different places at the same difference. You don't want any more than 5/10 thousandths. That's less than a thousandths. And what that does, it gives you that pedal feel or that pedal pulsation. It's disc thickness variation. Now, how do you stop that? Well, don't over torque the lug nuts. Make sure that your surfaces are clean between your rotor and your hub. And when you put everything back together, use proper torque specifications, because you don't want to go down the road and feel that pedal pulsation. These 2 measurements along with those tips will help you avoid that.